Hi folks, this is Mary with Guaranty RV. I'd like to show you a 2020 Northwood Nash 17K. The stock number on this unit is T41318. The gross vehicle weight of this unit is 7,000 pounds. It sleeps 4. It's got a dual axle, as you can see, and that's going to help you to have more security when you're driving down the road. Keeps you more stable. If you look on the inside of this unit, it has a great floor plan. There's a big counter space, lots of storage throughout, a very cute dinette, which is, you could easily fit four people around that. There's overhead storage on top of the master bed there, and this is the cutest thing. Look at that bathroom. A cute sink. You've got everything that you need in the bathroom. Storage underneath, storage on top with a medicine cabinet there. Just a really great unit, and very small, lightweight. So if you have a question about this unit, which I'm sure you do, I didn't cover very much in this video, please call me 406-850-4590, and I would like to help you get out on an adventure. Thanks so much.